Number 10, upon trying out the Amazon Basics. Number 4, Cone Coffee Filters. I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with the performance and quality of this product. The product dimensions of 7 into 2.25 into 8.5 inches and weighing 5.61 ounces make it convenient and practical for everyday use. The item model number 46100Z623, manufactured by Amazon.com. Services LLC and available since July 6, 2023, along with its country of origin being the USA, instills confidence in its build and reliability. Furthermore, its bestsellers rank of #2, 924 in home and kitchen, and #19 in disposable coffee filters underscores its popularity and trustworthiness among consumers. With a remarkable customer review rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 619 ratings, it is evident that many users have found great value in this product. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics number 4. Cone coffee filters stand out as a top-notch choice for anyone in need of reliable and efficient coffee filtration.